Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Zepto Wallet cache not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you're facing this type of error in your Zepto mobile application, then the first thing that you need to do is to simply check for any updates available. For that, open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and here, use the search bar. In the search bar, you need to simply search for Zepto. Now, once you are able to find Zepto application, you need to simply tap on its icon and then check whether there is any update available. If there is any update, you need to tap on the update button and let the update installed in your device. Once the installation is complete, you need to tap on the open button and you need to just log in into your account again. And then you need to check whether the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then you just have to simply long press on your Zepto mobile application, then go to the App Info section. Over here, go to Storage, and here, first try clearing the cache, and then open your Zepto wallet. And then you need to check whether the cache is now working or not. If it is not working, then tap on the Clear Data this time. So what this will do is, it will log you out from your Zepto mobile application. So you just have to re-log in into your account. And then with the help of these few methods, you are definitely going to fix this issue. So that's basically how you can fix Zepto Wallet cache not working. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.